Okay, NVIDIA triple top. 1, 2, 3, pull. Right? 1, 2, 3, pull. Couldn't hold, but look at this high. Beautiful. Now start watch your levels again. Here we go again. 777. If it can't hold, 775. If it can't hold, 774. Scalpers, paradise trading. You can do it on every one of these, right? If it falls, this is what I mean. If it breaks below, keep going. If it touches right here, calls. If it breaks below, stop, and then it's a put, right? There's that 777 with a pullback. This is why you got to watch this high. See that high? Look at that. So again, 772, and then I told you 774. Moved to 775, and here's our market, 777. We're exactly to the penny to the stop. Look at that.
That was to the penny.
Yep, look at that. By the way, still holding that contract. It's still up 173%. Still up $6,300. Why? Look at it, bounced on 772. Oh my, look.
Coach, are you part algo?
Yes, I am. Look at it. It bounced like 72. Look at that. Look at NVIDIA. It touched 772, and then it found support at 774. Look at I mean, this is the roadmap. Isn't this exactly what we have charted? Look at this thing. And then 775. Here we are. Look at it. I mean, this is a roadmap to success. It's constant. We had all of this set up before it ever got here, didn't we? We knew exactly where it wanted to go, when it wanted to get there, and how it was going to do it. We said down here, right? We said down here, I said, this is consolidation. This looks good. This is going to have a pop. That was all of this pullback. When the rest of the world is freaking out, American Dream Trading is making money right there. Look at this. Now, if you look at Tesla, this pullback to 219.53 here, right? It just did it again, real close. It hit to 65. If you're still strong in it, this is the buy to re-add. Otherwise, listen, you don't have to just keep buying in. Just let the runners run, and it will make you more money. Because remember, every time you guys buy or add in, you're adding risk, right? It can go against you. You're averaging the price, right, to the wrong side. So I don't always like to continue to add in. I'd rather let my runners run and make my money.